everyone, Bob Biker 46 here. Received another package in the mail today. This is this package from Drone Worship. Dan, you guys all know DW, sent me this microphone for my little studio I got going on here. I actually have it hooked up to the Osmo right now. We're doing some testing with the Osmo to see how it works. It is a 3.5 jack for plug-in. I'm going to get a USB adapter so it can go to a couple of my different computers, because a couple of my laptops have 3.5s, a couple of them have USB only, so the Osmo is a 3.5 millimeter jack, so I can use it all the way around. I just need to get that adapter, so make that work. But anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you. Thank you very much, Dan. Very much appreciated, sir. Everybody have a great night. Bob Biker 46. See ya.